Hello, welcome to the watch world. In a world where time is both a precious commodity and a symbol of refinement, one name stands out among the rest: Cartier. And within the illustrious Cartier collection lies a timepiece that embodies the very essence of elegance and innovation, the Cartier Santos. Inception over a century ago, Cartier has been synonymous with excellence and craftsmanship. Founded in 1847 by Louis Cartier, the brand quickly became the jeweler of choice for royalty and aristocrats around the world. Among Cartier's illustrious creations, the Cartier Santos holds a special place. Originally designed in 1904 for the pioneering aviator Alberto Santos-Dumont, this iconic timepiece was revolutionary in both its design and purpose. Today, the Cartier Santos continues to captivate watch aficionados with its timeless appeal and unrivaled craftsmanship. Its distinctive square case, adorned with sleek lines and polished edges, exudes sophistication and style. Beneath the surface of its elegant exterior lies a marvel of engineering and precision. Powered by Cartier's legendary movements, each Cartier Santos watch is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. Whether worn as a symbol of achievement or simply as an expression of personal style, the Cartier Santos transcends mere timekeeping to become a statement of individuality and refinement. Join the ranks of those who appreciate the finer things in life. Elevate your wrist game with the Cartier Santos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.